Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone. So the easiest way to do this is by swiping down from the very top of your screen. This opens your notification shade. Let us swipe down or show the full panel, and now you'll see the quick settings panel with icons like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, and many more. So let us look for the icon that looks like a little half moon, or on some phones it might look like a circle with a minus sign in the middle. That is your Do Not Disturb button, so this one. Let's go ahead and tap it, and just like that, Do Not Disturb is enabled. Your phone will now silence calls, notifications, and alerts unless you've set exceptions like alarms or favorites. Now, if you don't see the icon in your quick settings panel, do not worry. Let's just go to settings. And use the search bar at the top and type in Do Not Disturb. This one. So from here, you can just tap it and disable or enable it. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable your Do Not Disturb mode on Android.